Okay, let's take a start. Speaking part one. Do you play any indoor games?
Yes, I played many different games. Most of the times I played different indoor games like Ludo and Snakes, but but I don't like this. And most of the times I prefer outdoor games instead of indoor games.
Okay, do you prefer to play indoor games or outdoor games? Now you can elaborate further.
If I talk about outdoor games, there are different benefits of playing games.
Not the benefits. Do you prefer indoor games or outdoor games? You say, I prefer outdoor games because there are many health benefits which are associated with outdoor games. First of all, then you can talk about physical exercise and this and that and all that. Answer again. Do you prefer to play indoor games or outdoor games?
Most of the times I prefer outdoor games because it is a good way of doing exercise, and I usually go with my friends in different parks and stadiums to play different games, so I usually like playing outdoor games very
Okay.
much.
What indoor games did you play when you were a child?
When I was a child, I usually played different games like Ludo and Snake and many other different games. But but most of the times I go outside, and I usually enjoy playing games. But whenever I was not able to go outside, then I prefer to play games indoor.
Okay. All right. Do you play video games?
Yes, I love different video games. I love PUBG as it is a most famous game in my country, and most of people, youngsters, like this game, and I like this game very much.
All right. This is good. Try to elaborate each question with different ideas because most of the ideas are repetitive. Like if indoor games, you're only talking about snake and this and that, and you repeated that several times. Okay.
Yes.
So for indoor, you can use other words. You can play it at home. You can play it inside. You can play this game in your living room. For indoor, for outdoor, you can use the word parks, gardens, stadiums, and all that. So variety of words with variety of ideas will give you good bench score. At present, your ideas and the phrases which you are using, they are repetitive. You repeat the same ideas almost in every question. So come up with new ideas. Okay. Thank you.